Hi everyone, I'm back with another video and today I will show you how to make multiple Temu accounts. So first, download the Temu app from your Apple App Store or Google Play Store. So here I have already downloaded the application. So click on that. So tap you at the bottom of your screen. So tap settings at the upper right of your screen. Here you can see switch account. So click on that. So add account, and here you can sign in by using your email address or you can continue with Google. So I'll do continue with Google. So let's check if I already added an account. So let's go to settings, switch accounts, and done. You have successfully made multiple Temu accounts. Till next time!